In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color of a node in Mindnode. If you're organizing ideas, color can make a huge difference in clarity and focus. It helps you group related thoughts, highlight priorities, and make your mind map easier to scan at a glance. We'll walk through the exact process, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way. Start by selecting the node you want to change. Simply tap the node on your canvas so it's highlighted. You'll know it's selected when you see a clear outline or handles around it. If you accidentally select the wrong one, tap the background to deselect and try again. This step ensures that any style change you make will apply to the right node, not the entire map or a different branch. Next, open your styling tools by tapping the paintbrush icon, also known as the Style Inspector. You'll typically find this in the toolbar. Tapping it brings up the panel where Mindnode lets you tweak visual settings. Think of this panel as your control center for appearance. Everything from shapes to borders and of course colors lives here. Within the Style panel, locate and open the section labeled Node. Mindnode organizes its options into categories, and the Node section focuses on the look of the node itself. This is where you'll control elements like the shape, border, and fill, which is exactly what we need to adjust the color. Now tap Fill Color and choose your desired color. You'll see a palette of preset colors and often a broader picker for custom shades. As you tap different colors, you'll see your node update instantly, so you can preview how it looks within your map. Pick a color that supports your intent, maybe a calm tone for research items, a bold hue for action points, or a consistent color scheme to match categories. For readability, aim for strong contrast between the fill color and the text. If your text becomes hard to see, either choose a lighter or darker fill, or consider adjusting the text color later. If nothing changes, double check that the node is still selected and that you're on the node section, not another tab. That's all there is to it. Tap the node, open the Style Inspector with the paintbrush, go to the node section, then set your fill color. With a few thoughtful choices, your mind map will be clearer, more expressive, and a lot more enjoyable to use. Thanks for watching, and happy mapping!